Hi there, Melody from WTI, and let me tell you all about these really cool ISOtune earbud headphones. There's so many awesome features about them. So it comes with everything you need, it's super easy to charge, and it also comes with 4 pairs of foam ear tips and 3 pairs of silicone double flange ear tips. Different styles and different sizes to make sure that everyone will be happy. They have a noise reduction rating of 27 decibels. And once charged, they can last up to 11 hours. Love the fact how the wire fits just nicely around your neck. When you're not using the earplugs, you take them out and then they won't be dangling, getting in your way because the magnets will make them close together and they'll stay in one little spot. From 30 feet away from your device, you can actually listen to music and you can actually get your calls. These are built to last. They are sweat, water, and dust resistant. So that's why my hubby and I love them. We're very impressed with these, the quality and even the warranties. Go get yourself a set if you haven't tried the ISOtunes yet. But that's our point of view.